Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here with the next item in our Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. We're up to item number 17 in our checklist now. And today's question is, do you have at least 2 ads per ad group? It kind of follows on from the last one where I was talking about ad optimization settings. So it's very important that you're always trying to improve your account, and to that end, the ad is obviously really the only piece of account that your potential visitors are going to see. They don't see any of the stuff in the background. So the ad is the one point of contact that you have with your potential visitors and the people that are potentially going to come to buy from you. So it is very important that you don't just stick one ad in an ad group and let that run, because it might not be the best ad that gets you the best click-through rates, that gets you the best number of conversions. So you constantly need to be testing, and so you need to have at least, always need to have at least 2 ads per ad group, so you've always got one competing with the other. I mean, preferably, Google these days does like to see 3 ads per ad group. You will get a warning in your account if you only have 2, and it'll say you need to add another ad to the ad group, which is fine, but you need to have at least 2 ads per ad group in order to be able to continually split test and make sure you're always finding and creating better ads than the ones you already have, so that you can keep improving your performance. So that's today's checklist item. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, or to download the checklist. There's a link below this video also to download the checklist, and subscribe to the channel and get notified of new videos that get posted on a daily basis. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.